this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, as we kick qualification number 19 off, AlphaGo going so quickly. You can see their suspension system really lending itself well to going right over that barrier with no issues. They've already gotten 2 freight plus their additional preload on there. Their partner Infinity Turtles not slacking off either. They got their preload. What's interesting, it looks like neither team placed their preload on the correct level on the blue alliance, but they'll still get 12 points for each freight. Over on the red alliance, team 9421 Hydrofluoric Robotics, they did get their preload on the middle level. That's going to be 32 points total.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, as we kick off the teleop period, looks like AlphaGo is going to be cycling on that on the Alliance-specific hub for the Blue Alliance, while Infinity Turtles is going to take that shared hub once again. Hydrofluoric Robotics over on the Red Alliance is scoring on that high hub, and their partner GNCE is taking the shared hub this match. AlphaGo has already placed 3 or 4 freight in the teleop period itself, totaling a total of 6 freight on the high level of that blue shipping hub, while Team Infinity Turtle 16461 is placing their first freight on the shared hub. Right now, the shared hub is tipped towards the Red Alliance thanks to the work of GNCE, but Infinity Turtles, a Worlds level team, is not going to let that rest. AlphaGo really just placing freight after freight, and we can see again teams are optimizing which freight they place on which level. AlphaGo going only for those gold cubes, and they've done an excellent job of making sure those are the only freight on the high level of that Alliance specific hub. This allows you to fit more freight for even more points on that. With a minute left in the match, it's 140 to 96. Remember, there are a lot of points to be gained in the endgame period, so it's still anybody's game. GNCE doing excellent work over on that shared hub, placing freight after freight. They're keeping that tip. Infinity Turtles right now has 3 freight, about to be 4. Let's see if they can get this placement, and they do. Still not tipping it in their favor, but doing very well. AlphaGo, again, freight after freight. They're just a scoring machine this match. 36 seconds left. Let's see what teams do as they prepare for that endgame period. Looks like AlphaGo drove over their team shipping element during the autonomous period. Hopefully it still works for them and everything functions properly. Infinity Turtles is going to be spinning those ducks. Remember, they weren't able to spin one off in the autonomous period, but that's all right. It'll still count if they can get all 10 off. They'll still get 60 points for all of those ducks. AlphaGo is the first team shipping element on. Meanwhile, Hydrofluoric Robotics, they're about to get their second on, and they do. That's 30 points for the Red Alliance thanks to those team shipping elements. And GNCE spinning freight after freight. 3 seconds left in the match. Let's see who takes this one. And that's the end of the match.